What's up? Thomas from Flint here. Okay, I made this video just to show you this trim. We still got to put some quarter round on. But all we had was a circular saw. And it seemed like it cut it enough to basically make it work. I know that once you caulk everything in, you really won't see them lines as long as they're close. But we just kind of made do with what we had. And you just have to... basically can't be sloppy with what you're doing. You just have to try really hard, get your saw set like right to 45. And it's pretty much all